I'm Peter. Welcome to PD Tech for another professional guide.
And I'm Duan. Our goal is to turn your bookkeeping from a headache into your greatest competitive advantage.
In this video, you'll learn how to dispose of a fixed asset in Xero. Before we dispose of an asset in the fixed asset register, it's a good idea to create the sales transaction to record the proceeds of the disposal and any tax the sale may attract, such as VAT or GST. Here we have an example of a sales invoice we've created for the sale of a camera. Note that we've selected 222 Profit Loss on Sale of Non-Current Asset as the account code, and have sales tax added to the invoice for this example. When the gross proceeds are received into the bank account, we can simply reconcile it against this sales invoice. Now, let's record the disposal of the asset in the fixed asset register. From the main fixed asset page, select the Registered tab. Then, from the list of fixed assets, select the asset you want to dispose of. We'll select the camera for this example. Next, click Dispose. We now need to complete the information regarding the disposal. First, click the Disposal Date field and enter the date the asset was disposed. In this example, we'll enter March 28, 2025. Next, fill in the sales proceeds, being the amount you received for the asset, net of VAT or GST if relevant. If you donated the asset and received no proceeds, enter a value of 0. For this example, we'll enter 1,000. Then, select the Sales Proceeds chart of account code. Click the drop-down arrow and search for the account you used to invoice the asset sale. Then, select it from the list. If you donated the asset, you won't need to select an account. We'll choose 222 Profit Loss on Sale of Non-Current Asset, as that's the code we used when we created the sales invoice earlier in the video. Next, click the Depreciation drop-down to choose if you need to charge depreciation in the financial year, or select if there is no depreciation charge. For this example, we'll choose all depreciation up to and including. Then, using the Date field, select the date that Xero will use to calculate the final depreciation. In this example, we'll keep it the same as the disposal date. Once you've completed all the details, click Show Summary. Xero shows the disposal summary, including the depreciation to be posted. If you change any of the disposal details, click Update Summary to confirm the changes. Next, click Review Journals. Review the journal. You can see if you made a gain or loss on the disposal. For this example, we made a loss on the disposal. Then, click Post to complete the disposal of the fixed asset.